Craving a bowl of creamy, dreamy ice cream, but don't have heavy cream on hand? No worries. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets to creating velvety, homemade ice cream without the need for heavy cream. Whether you're looking for a healthier alternative or just experimenting in the kitchen, we've got you covered. Before we dive into the delightful details of crafting your ice cream masterpiece, let's explore why some of us are keen on avoiding heavy cream. Heavy cream is rich in fat, and while that makes ice cream oh so creamy, it also packs a caloric punch. Using alternatives allows for a lighter, guilt-free indulgence. Some folks have lactose intolerance or dietary preferences that steer them away from dairy. This recipe offers a more inclusive option. Ingredients: milk. Choose your preferred type of milk, such as whole milk, skim milk, or even a plant-based alternative like almond milk, soy milk, or coconut milk. The fat content in the milk will affect the creaminess of your ice cream, so select accordingly. Sugar. Sugar not only sweetens the ice cream, but also contributes to its texture. Adjust the amount of sugar to suit your taste. Vanilla extract. For that classic ice cream flavor, vanilla extract is a must. You can also experiment with other extracts, like almond or mint, for different flavors. A pinch of salt. Salt enhances the overall flavor and helps balance the sweetness. Optional flavorings. Get creative with your ice cream by adding ingredients like cocoa powder, fruit puree, coffee, crushed cookies, or nuts. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Mix the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of your chosen milk, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Stir well until the sugar completely dissolves. 2. Add flavor. This is the stage where you can infuse your ice cream with your favorite flavors. For example, add cocoa powder for chocolate ice cream. Blend in fruit puree for fruity flavors. Mix in instant coffee for a coffee-flavored treat. Stir in your chosen flavorings until well incorporated. 3. Chill the mixture. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a lid and refrigerate the mixture for at least 2 to 3 hours, or until it's thoroughly chilled. Chilling helps improve the texture of the ice cream. 4. Churn the ice cream. Pour the chilled mixture into your ice cream maker and follow the manufacturer's instructions for churning. If you don't have an ice cream maker, proceed to the next step. 5. Freeze the ice cream. If using an ice cream maker, once the ice cream reaches a soft serve consistency, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for a few hours or until it firms up to your desired consistency. If you don't have an ice cream maker, pour the mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container and place it directly in the freezer. 6. Serve and enjoy. Scoop your homemade ice cream into bowls or cones and savor the creamy delight you've created without heavy cream. Creating homemade ice cream without heavy cream not only yields a delightful treat, but also provides a lighter, healthier option for indulgence. You can enjoy the creamy goodness without the heaviness of excessive fats and calories. Furthermore, the ability to customize your mix-ins opens a world of flavor possibilities. So, the next time you're craving a frozen delight, give this recipe a try. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create a guilt-free, creamy masterpiece in your own kitchen. Enjoy!